Hello everyone, I'm Echo. Now let me introduce our company, Dongguan Xinya Precision Machinery Limited Company. This is our complete machinery department. Look at this big CNC machine. This type of the machine is T5 and T15 high-speed typing and drilling machining center machine. The system is come from Japan, Mitsubishi. T5 and T15 means there are 3 spindles and 3 tool magazines. It greatly improves production efficiency. One machine is equivalent to the work of 3 machines. The guide rail is come from Japanese THK. There are 3 spindles and 3 motors. The advantage of the machine is that it can operate synchronously and asynchronously. There are 3 tool magazines. The processing operation includes synchronous tool change and asynchronous tool swapping. Welcome to inquire and order.